Front yard is also so important because the backyard is definitely your money luck. And then the front yard is also have some similar meaning. So we need to do something to protect it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today we keep going to talk about in this period number 9 how we can do something to boost the overall feng shui for our backyard and front yard. Okay, first of all, we know that in this period number 9, which is from 2024 and up to 2044. So in this 20 year, the north, if there's some water element, will be the best because the north is we call the 凌晨方. If there's some water element, that will boost the overall financial fortune for the property. So this is really good. And then the second good location, which is the southeast location. If there's some water element over there, you can also boost the financial fortune because the southeast in this number 9 in charge period is because the 招神方. But the north is better than the southeast. But the southeast is not bad, but the north is much better. So either the north or the southeast, there's some water element that will be good. So let's say if for your home, your backyard is located in the north part of your property, that would be good because you can build some like a feng shui water element over there. You can have a swimming pool, spa, water fountain, fish pond, you name it. So you can put over there. But the best one is the swimming pool because you can enjoy it and then the water is much more. You have a more water content at the backyard, then you can boost the overall luck. If let's say if you don't have a swimming pool at the back, you can do something is you can add a water fountain in the north of the backyard. Then you can also boost the overall function. But something we need to understand, if let's say if you install a water fountain, something you need to keep in mind, which is number 1, you need to make sure that the water is pointing, the running direction is pointing to your master bedroom. That will be the most important because normally we sleep like 8 hours a day. So 1/3 of your time you spend on the bed. So if the water fountain is pointing to the master bedroom, something good is the water element will just pointing to your pocket because you sleep on your bed 8 hours a day. So that will be good. If let's say if you pointing the water direction to the front yard, the money luck will escape. If you pointing the water element to the bathroom, the money fortune will also escape. So that will not be really good. So when you install a water fountain, make sure that the direction is so important. And secondly, you need to make sure that the water is running slowly, it's not too noisy. Because it's too noisy, they will have some like a money losing energy. And then number 3, which is the water fountain, we need to make sure that the water is running within the device, the machine. We don't want the water to spill out because the money luck will just go away. So we want to make sure that. Then that will be good. So the north and then the southeast, if there's a water element, which is really good. Okay, number 2, for your front yard and backyard feng shui element, which is we need to apply this basic feng shui concept, which is the front is lower and then the back is higher. So what's the meaning? Okay, let's say if you have some fence at the sideway on the left and on the right, we want to make sure that the fence is going all the way up. It means your money luck is go all the way up. So we want the front to be lower and then the back is higher. Or if you have some plants, some tree, make sure that in the front yard you grow something shorter one, some bushes. At the really front part, you grow some like a green grasses, and then at the back you can grow some taller tree that will have some protection. So the front is lower and then the back is higher. That will be good. Okay, number 3. Number 3 is for your front yard. Normally for American people, the front yard is we just leave it over there, we don't care. But something we need to pay attention. The front yard is also so important because the backyard is definitely your money luck. And then the front yard is also have some similar meaning. So we need to do something to protect it. At least there's some protection. some fence or some like a tree, some bushes in the front to protect it, serving as the front left dragon and white tiger protecting our front yard. That will be good. And if you can have a gate to protect all the front yard to make sure that the good energy is located over there, that will be good. You can imagine like this: if your neighbor just walk the dog and the dog just take a piece in your front yard, then that is not a really good idea, because that will create some like hygiene issue, smell issue. So if you have some fence to locate it to protect your front yard, then that will be much better, because you don't have that kind of issue. So that will be good. Okay, number 4. Number 4 is some people will like to grow some like a fruit tree, but make sure that you only grow the fruit tree at the backyard, not the front yard, because the front yard, if let's say there's no protection, your neighbor will just walk around, they will grab your apple, orange, lemon. So that will create some money losing Feng Shui energy, because your result, the lemon, is cashed by your neighbor, so the money luck escape. So we don't want that to happen. So we want to protect us. We want to make sure that this is good. Okay, number 5. Number 5 is we want to make sure that we only grow some like a real grasses, real tree, real flower in our front yard and backyard. We don't want the artificial flower, plants, and artificial grass on our yard. The reason is because those artificial ones, they don't have any living energy, because they're dead. They're just plastic. We want something living energy. So some real flower, real plants, real grass, that will be good. Okay, number 6. Number 6 is we want to make sure that for the tree, the plants, the bushes we grow, they are in a good condition. Let's say for the grass, they're in a fresh green condition. We don't want a yellow one showing on the grass, and then we don't want yellow leaf, some dying tree in our yard, because that one will create some like a declining, damaging energy. So we want to protect it. Okay, number 7. Number 7 is we want to try all our best to avoid those thorny plants. So like I say, some spiky one, let's say some cactus or some dragon fruit tree, because they will have some hurting energy. So we don't want that one. We want all the plants in like a fresh, like a round shape, fresh green. That would be good. And by the way, if you live in the southern part, you can make sure that you grow the tree which is green at all the season. So we don't want some tree which have nothing at the winter, because at the winter it's just the branches, no leaf, nothing. Then the energy is not really good at the winter time. So we want to avoid that one. If possible, we will want to grow some tree which is green in all season. That would be good. Okay, number 8. Number 8 is for our front yard, we want to make sure that if you grow some tree, make sure that they're on the sideway, on the left and on the right. That can serve as a protection. We don't want the tree is in front of our front door, because that one will create some like a hurting energy to us. Every time you step out to your front door and then you see the tree blocking your wheel, blocking the way, that will not be really good. It's the same case as our backyard. We don't want the tree is at the back, which is in front of our back door. That will not be a really good one. Okay, number 9. Number 9 is for the tree and bushes, which is good for the property, but we want to keep a distance between our home and then the tree. Make sure that the branches is not touching the roof or blocking the sunlight. That will not be really good, because blocking the sunlight, the good sunlight energy cannot penetrate to your home. If that's the case, maybe you need to trim it to do something to fix it. Okay, the last one, number 10. Whenever you want to cut down a tree, you need to think twice before you do that, because in the Feng Shui point of view, who cut the tree or who make the order to cut the tree may bring the bad luck to the person. So you need to pay attention, don't bring the bad luck to you. And I wish you good luck. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have a class online. The name is Accredited Professional Practical Feng Shui Master Course. I put the link down below. You can go there, check it out. Or if you want to read some Feng Shui book, I have a book on Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. I also put the link down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.